Trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Motocross complex for the model year 23 KTM motocross range launch with the press. It's a fantastic day with an incredible track. I think it's going to be quite exciting to get all the feedback.
We have the 4-strokes here, and we also have the new 2-stroke models. It's an awesome day. The weather gods are smiling on us. And it's going to be really neat to see what the Aussie journos think of these amazing new bikes in Aussie conditions.
2023 is a very exciting model year for us with an all-new generation product and the latest cutting-edge 2-stroke technology in the market today. And they say nothing's changed, and that's correct. KTM is still leading the way and bringing out products that are at the forefront of motocross development.
By the time the end of the day come around and I had to evaluate and have a think about all 6 bikes, the 450 sits up here. It is spectacular. They've done a fantastic job, and there's no real part of the bike that I would change, to tell the truth. I think they've got the gearing right, the shock felt beautiful, the forks were fantastic. The motor is super strong, so you could pull a tall gear everywhere. I thought I might want to go for that more mellow map, the white map, but I didn't. I love the green map. The strong one allowed you to pull that taller gear and torque your way around the track. It was a real fun bike to ride, and it's exactly what you want out of a 450.
I think the ergos have come in a lot. The frame itself is narrower. That bottom end is narrower. So I just think that they've created, again, just a bike that's a little bit better everywhere. 2023, KTM has done it again. I mean, every time they do a range release, they're bringing us some really epic motorcycles.
How have they brought the heat this year in 23? All those little nuances that I was really hoping to fix across the range, they did, and then they brought some tech that I forgot about, like the quick shift that I tried in 2017, and then they bring an EFI system that I never saw, never touched. What they've done here is they've given us a better riding experience. They've given us a more comfortable bike, a more sturdy chassis, a safer bike. They really are finding that fine line of rigidity, comfort, and traction. They haven't missed a mark on these bikes.